It will show you some of the account administration features in the new DesignerLogic. The old DesignerLogic had this choice up here, and you would click Manage Account or Users and Staff or Default Settings, one of these choices, or Staff Project, and it would take you to different pages in your Manage Account, like this page here, you manage your account, or say, for example, your default settings, which would be right here. Now the new DesignerLogic is similar in that the menu is over here, and you want to click either Manage Account for your company information, like your logo and your footer and header information. But up here, you can also just click Settings, and it goes to the same menu essentially to your settings. But here you have company. You have a log of your emails actually that go out, which we'll show you later, where you can email directly out of DesignerLogic. But down here you have your sales codes, just like before. You have your sales codes for items. These are your defaults. You have your sales code for time and expenses, your spec templates where you can create prompts for the specs for new items and use them over and over on new items, and you can make sure that people fill that out correctly. The statuses is very important, and we'll go over that when we go over the proposals. There's a stages that each proposal, invoice, or purchase order goes through that helps you really track everything, and that's done over here. The items is different. It is only what you want it to be right here. This is brought over from your old DesignerLogic account, and you can just drag these in any order you want, or add new ones or delete ones to make the item status. And this is just a status for each item, which you can filter by and group your projects and whatnot. The areas is here, same kind of thing, your default areas that every new project has. Your tax rates show up here. Unit type, same thing. Terms and conditions, these are what shows up at the bottom of your docs. This is the same as the old DL. Then here you have your users and staff. And it's very similar. If you want to modify a user, just click on this edit panel here, and you can do that over here and see very clearly what's going on with that. Now there's also a explanation here for admin. If someone's an admin, it will show what they can do, and down here what other people cannot do. And you get on that by just clicking the header here. And that's really helpful, so you can really understand what a large firm does. Clients here, these are all the clients that are on client portals. So you'll see them over here and what their emails address are and what their portals are if they're active or not, but your staff will be over here. The permissions guide is also where you can find that admin permissions over here in the permissions guide. And new staff, just create new staff right here, very simple. Project assignments, this is just where you assign people to different projects. It's the exact same thing as the staff assignment projects over here in the old DesignerLogic. So the settings area, again, comes from over here, and this is what you want to use to set up your account, but we brought everything over from your old DesignerLogic account, so you should be good to go.